Scene: a person sipping coffee, staring at a statement with a puzzled expression. Voiceover: you've been told to max out your 401k for years. But is it really the best way to secure your retirement? What if everything you've been told is only half the story? Let's dive into the truth about 401k plans and uncover whether they truly deserve your hard-earned dollars. Scene: host sitting in a cozy office with charts and financial tools in the background. Host: welcome to our channel, where we decode the financial strategies that actually work for you. Today, we're tackling a big question. Is a 401k the holy grail of retirement planning? Or could there be better options out there? By the end of this video, you'll know the pros, the cons, and how to decide what's best for you. Let's get started. Scene: simple animations illustrating contributions, employer matches, and tax benefits. Host: first, a quick refresher. A 401k is an employer-sponsored retirement savings plan. You contribute a portion of your paycheck, often pre-tax, and your employer may even match some of that money. Sounds like free money, right? On top of that, the investments grow tax-deferred until you withdraw them in retirement. But hold on, there's more to this story. Scene: positive imagery of people enjoying their retirement. Host: let's give credit where it's due. Here are the top benefits of a 401k. Tax advantages: contributions lower your taxable income, and the growth is tax deferred. Employer match: this is essentially free money if your employer offers it. Automated savings: contributions are deducted directly from your paycheck, making it easy to save. High contribution limits: for 2024, you can contribute up to $23,000 if you're under 50, and $30,500 if you're older. These benefits make the 401k a powerful tool for many people, but it's not perfect. Scene: contrasting visuals, someone frustrated, looking at high fees on a statement. Host: now, let's talk about the less glamorous side. Limited investment choices. Most 401k plans have a narrow range of funds to choose from. Fees, expense ratios, and administrative fees can eat into your returns over time. Tax on withdrawals: when you retire, withdrawals are taxed as regular income, and higher income could mean higher taxes. Early withdrawal penalties: need your money before age 59 and a half. Get ready for a 10% penalty plus taxes. Lack of liquidity: unlike other investments, your money is tied up until retirement unless you're willing to pay penalties. These issues highlight why it's important to weigh the pros and cons before fully committing to a 401k. Scene: smiling couple reviewing their retirement plan with a financial advisor. Host: so, when is a 401k a good idea? Here are a few scenarios. You get a generous employer match. Always take advantage of free money. You're in a high tax bracket now. The tax savings on contributions can be significant. You're not a DIY investor. 401ks make it simple to save and invest without much effort. If these apply to you, a 401k can be a great option, but don't stop there. Scene: side-by-side comparison charts of 401ks versus IRAs and taxable accounts. Host: if a 401k doesn't seem like the right fit, you have options. Roth IRA. Contributions are made with after-tax dollars, but withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. Taxable brokerage accounts. These offer more flexibility and investment options. Health savings account HSA. Triple tax advantages make this a great secondary savings vehicle. Diversifying your retirement savings can give you more flexibility and tax benefits in the long run. Scene: host wrapping up with a call to action. Host: so, is a 401k really a good retirement plan? The answer depends on your financial situation, goals, and the options available to you. The key is to educate yourself and make informed decisions. If you're ready to take your retirement planning to the next level, hit that like button, subscribe, and check out our other videos on smart money strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Is a 401k really a good retirement plan? Alternative titles for better ranking on YouTube. 401k explained. Is it the best way to retire? 401k secrets. What you need to know before you invest. Retirement planning 101. Should you max out your 401k? 401k pros and cons. Is it worth it? The truth about 401k plans. Are they really good for retirement?